Story time with Kashif and Mina, the lion and the fox. Hey Mina, do you have a story about a lion and a fox? I'm in the mood for a good tale.
Of course, Kashif. I've got just the story for you. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo and a cunning fox named Felix.
What happened with Leo and Felix?
Well, Leo was known throughout the forest for his strength and ferocity. He ruled over all the animals, and they respected and feared him. But Felix, the fox, was known for his wit and cleverness.
A classic case of brawn versus brains. Huh.
Exactly, Kashif. One day, a terrible drought hit the forest. Water became scarce, and the animals were suffering.
Oh no, that sounds dire. What did Leo and Felix do?
Leo was becoming desperate, as his strength couldn't solve this problem. He asked Felix for advice. Felix suggested that they should work together to find a solution. Leo, initially skeptical, agreed to give it a try.
Teamwork between a lion and a fox. That's interesting. What did they come up with?
They devised a plan. Leo used his strength to dig deep into the ground to find a hidden water source. Felix, with his keen sense of smell and quick thinking, helped Leo locate the underground water.
That's quite the partnership. Did they find water?
Yes, they did. They discovered a hidden spring that saved all the animals in the forest from the drought. The animals were amazed at how Leo and Felix had worked together, putting aside their differences.
So, it wasn't just about strength or cunning, it was about combining their strengths to overcome a challenge.
Exactly, Kashif. The story of Leo the lion and Felix the fox teaches us that sometimes, even the mightiest of beings can benefit from the wisdom of others.
That's a wonderful story, Mina. It reminds us that cooperation and teamwork can lead to great solutions.
I'm glad you liked it, Kashif. It's a valuable lesson we can all learn from the lion and the fox.
Thanks for sharing that story, Mina. It's a reminder that sometimes, strength and intelligence can go hand in hand.
You're welcome, Kashif. And remember, in life, it's not always about being the strongest or the smartest. It's about working together to achieve common goals.
Wise words, Mina. I'll keep that in mind. In the spirit of Leo and Felix, remember that cooperation and teamwork can conquer any challenge. Strength and intelligence, when united, lead to greatness. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Keep working together, and let's make the world a better place.